Smart intersections are an important component in intelligent transportation systems. They improve safety and traffic flow as well as reduce transit times. DSRC and cellular V2X are current standards that enable communication among vehicles and roadside equipment. Even though pedestrians and cyclists are important players in ITS, adoption of DSRC or cellular V2X for them is prohibitive. Our project objective is to investigate the use of regular Wi-Fi combined with low-cost commercial off-the-shelf devices to facilitate intersection control and safety applications. We focus on pedestrian counting at an intersection here because it is an input for intelligent traffic control systems. Our work is aimed at providing waiting pedestrian counts through a novel approach, which is a device-free channel state information-based technique using deep neural networks. To the best of our knowledge, this is the first proof of concept prototype of a 51 subcarrier CSI-based outdoor people counting technique that can be implemented at the roadside with low-cost COTS system on chips. Through this approach, we were able to experimentally estimate up to 12 pedestrians with high accuracy. Let's have a look at channel state information. CSI is a metric used in OFDM to obtain amplitude and phase variations of a radio channel across multiple subcarrier frequencies. Each CSI entry represents the channel frequency response of a particular subcarrier. The CSI amplitude and phase can effectively capture the wireless characteristics of the nearby environment, which include the presence of humans or other objects. This diagram shows the overall system architecture and operation of our proposed method. The four main parts are CSI capturing, pre-processing, offline training, and online estimation. On the left, you can see the CSI capturing setup we have used. The captured raw CSI is pre-processed in the edge processor and count is estimated there. We considered two deep neural networks architectures for testing and performance comparison, a multi-layer perceptron and a 1D convolutional neural network. We have used ESP32 devices as receivers for extracting CSI and NodeMCU devices as transmitters. The reason for using ESP32 is because it is very cheap, readily available, easy to handle due to its small size, and most importantly, it can output CSI to the user. The two ESP32 devices are connected to a Raspberry Pi 4 Edge via a serial connection to transfer the captured raw CSI data. We tested the two models with different combinations of 4 datasets. If it's feasible to build location-specific models, our technique will have over 92% success with the 1D convolutional model for up to 12%. We also observed that accuracy can be increased further and that models can be generalized for location independence by initially training with data from a few more typical environments. We have only tested our approach for a single pedestrian crossing, but the system can be expanded to work in a real 4-way intersections with 4 such pedestrian crossings as shown here. All the RX nodes would connect to a central edge processor wirelessly and transfer CSI data to the edge for count estimation on each crossing. To reduce latency, separate processing pipelines can be implemented per crossing in the edge processor.